Want to make a dish that's super easy, insanely delicious, and looks like it came straight out of a fancy restaurant? A potato so special, you won't be able to resist it once you see it. Today, we're making cheesy Hasselback potatoes, a dreamy mix of crispiness, softness, and the irresistible aroma of melting cheese. First, peel and wash your potatoes well. Then, using a sharp knife, make thin, even slices, almost all the way through, just like a spring. This step is key. It helps the potatoes open beautifully and turn crispy in the oven. Next, brush them with melted butter and sprinkle on your spices. The aroma already starts to fill the kitchen. For this recipe, you'll need just a few simple things: some medium-sized potatoes, a bit of butter or olive oil, spices like salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and of course, a generous handful of shredded cheese to finish it off. It's simple, but the result looks and tastes like pure magic. Place the potatoes in a baking dish. For serving, add a few slices of bell pepper or red onion around the plate. It makes the dish pop. A touch of fresh parsley or rosemary on top adds color and fragrance. That golden potato next to the green herbs, it's just mouth-watering. Take a bite and listen to that crispy sound. The sound that makes anyone fall in love with cooking. If you want a deeper golden color, drizzle a little oil on top. Then bake at 180°C around 350°F for about 40 minutes. When they come out, every slice has opened up and turned beautifully golden and crisp. Now it's time for the best part. Sprinkle on that shredded cheese. And let the heat from the potatoes melt it into a gooey, stretchy layer. If you've been looking for something simple but special, these cheesy Hasselback potatoes are exactly what you need. If you try it, tell me in the comments what spices you used or how you served it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because there are so many more delicious recipes coming your way. Until next time, cook with love.